lovelies, welcome back or welcome to my channel if you're new here. And as you can see, we're gonna be doing these beautiful purple Valentine's Day nails, so let's get right into it. Don't forget to like the video, comment, share this video with a friend or with somebody who you think will enjoy this video, and subscribe. And speaking of subscribe, thank you guys so much. We've hit 30 subscribers and that's pretty dope to me because it's only up from here. I'm just getting into these nails with a basic application, a solid color. We're not doing any marble, any ombre, just a solid purple application. We're also going to be getting into hand painted nail art. We're going to be doing sugar nails and it's going to be fun. So I'm going to let you guys watch this application and I'll be back. And we have a special guest today, my practice hand, and I got this practice hand for Christmas and I'm not complaining. I really do love it. I enjoy it. I get to do all of my practice sets on it, so I'm not mad at it. It was a gift, so yeah. And you guys already know when it comes to my application, I try to wipe my sides constantly because I'm trying to minimize our filing time. Because you gotta work smarter, not harder. And this is the first few times that during the application I'm using acetone with my monomer, so that's why you guys are gonna see that it's drying a little bit faster than usual and I have to work a bit faster. Lately the smell of the monomer has been getting to me, like I don't know, like it's time for a change. And by the way, I use the Glam & Glitz monomer because I heard someone say that it doesn't have a strong smell, but to me personally it has a very strong smell, but that's just me. So I'm gonna make a switch to a monomer that doesn't have such a strong odor, or I'm gonna find a monomer neutralizer. I know Not Polish just came out with one, so I just might have to buy one of those. The acrylic that I'm using is from Savvyland, and no, this is not sponsored. And as you guys can see, like I'm getting into this new thing where like I'm trying not to waste acrylic. So like that's why you guys see like towards the tip of the nail, if there's any excess acrylic, I use it. I remember seeing somebody else do it on my Instagram, and I was like, yeah, like I definitely need to try that. So that's what I'm trying to do and continue doing. And like I said, I did see this technique from somebody I follow on Instagram, and I'll be sure to leave her Instagram in my description because it's only right to give credit. And once we're done with the application of these nails, I'm gonna go in with my hand file. And for today's video, I did not use an e-file. I chose to hand file all the way through. And when it comes to hand filing, I just like to make sure that my hand file is super straight, especially when I'm doing square nails. So like, for example, you guys see that space right there? I'm just gonna file until I cannot see that space. Until there's literally no space at all between the hand file and the nail. So here's what our nails are looking like, and after I'm done filing and buffing, I'm gonna go in with a layer of matte top coat, and our matte top coat is gonna serve as our base for our nail art. And after I'm done curing the nails for 60 seconds, we can begin our nail art. So for this pointer finger, I'm just going in and creating sweater nail art, but making it Valentine's Day edition. So to do that, I'm just starting with 2 parallel lines. And from there, I decided that I want to do a pattern with hearts and dots. So that's how I'm gonna do the nail art for this nail. Since these are my first few times using the practice hand, I'm noticing that I think I may need to add just a little bit of thickness to my nail, because you guys see that area of the cuticle area and the fake nail, right? It creates kind of like a shadow. And I was thinking to myself, I was like, maybe I need to add just a bit more thickness. That way it could look a little bit more realistic. I'm not sure, but it's all about trial and error. You guys see the way I like to do my hearts is I start out by using a dotting tool, and I create 2 dots right next to each other, and then I kind of connect the dots with the V shape, and then I just perfect the heart to my liking. And remember, we're not curing these nails until after we've poured a whole bunch of clear acrylic on top of it. And I do have a more in-depth video on my channel of me doing sugar nails / sweater nail art. I'll leave it on the screen for you if you'd like to check it out. And just to add a little bit more spice, I added these dots on the sides, and I also included some lines, and I'm just sugaring them, curing them, and this is what they look like. And for the next 2 designs on the ring finger and the middle finger, I'm just creating this little slanted line. I've been seeing this design on Instagram lately, so I was like, you know what, why not go for it and try this? And once we're done with our slanted line, we're gonna outline it with some clear gel polish. I personally use matte polish, and I sugared them with some glitter, and that's pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you guys for consistently and constantly staying with my channel, watching my videos, not just my YouTube channel but my Instagram and my TikTok as well. And if you don't already, follow it because I'd love to interact with you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you because we finally hit 30 subscribers. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Share it with a friend, share it with somebody you love, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.